guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am show the top 10 most expensive sports bike in the world. Number 10, Suzuki Hayabusa. Model Suzuki Hayabusa, engine 1340cc, max power 197 bhp, max torque 155 Nm, top speed 295 km/h. Brand origin Japan, price $14,799. Number 9, Kawasaki ZX-10R SC. Model ZX-10R SC, engine 998cc, max power 197.3 bhp, max torque 113.5 Nm, top speed 298 km/h. Brand origin Japan, price $16,399. Number 8, Honda Fireblade SP. Model Fireblade SP, engine 999.9cc, max power 215 bhp, max torque 113 Nm, top speed 298 km/h. Brand origin Japan, price $16,499. 7, BMW S1000RR. Model BMW S1000RR, engine 999cc, max power 205 bhp, max torque 113 Nm, top speed 305 km/h. Brand origin Germany, price $16,999. Number 6, Suzuki GSX-R 1000R. Model GSX-R 1000RR, engine 999cc, max power 199 bhp, max torque 118 Nm, top speed 280 km/h. Brand origin Japan, price $17,499. Number 5, Aprilia RSV4. Model Aprilia RSV4, engine 1078cc, max power 217 bhp, max torque 122 Nm, top speed 290 km/h. Brand origin Italy, price $24,499. Number 4, Yamaha YZF R1M. Model YZF R1M, engine 998cc, max power 197.30 bhp, max torque 113 Nm, top speed 293 km/h. Brand origin Japan, price $26,099. Number 3, Ducati Panigale V4S. Model Panigale V4S, engine 1100cc, max power 214 bhp, max torque 123.5 Nm, top speed 308 km/h. Brand origin Italy, price $27,495. Number 2, Kawasaki Ninja S2. Model Ninja S2 Carbon, engine 998cc, max power 231 bhp, max torque 141.7 Nm, top speed 310 km/h. Brand origin Japan, price $31,000. Number 1, BMW HP4 Race. Model BMW HP4 Race, engine 999cc, max power 215 bhp, max torque 120 Nm, top speed 290 km/h. Brand origin Germany, price $78,000.